All right, 2019 Jeep Cherokee. Flex pipe got some rust holes in her. A little loud for the wife, so we're gonna cut out the old flex pipe that's no good as close as we can. And right there's the front, and there's the back by the flange. I'm gonna be welding, so of course I'm gonna disconnect the battery. I got her stuffed up in there with the new flex pipe. I'll lay a bead right here to the old original exhaust. When I had this out, I welded up the flange end right there. So with my flux core welder, which I don't care much for, but I didn't have much room up in there. That was the best I could get that bead on there. Now it's quiet.